Discover the microscopic world with DiMi, Hüttinger's digital microscope designed specifically for museums and science centers. With robust, intuitive controls for focus and zoom, DiMi offers hands-on interaction that's both precise and user-friendly. Its mobile baseplate makes it easy to reposition the microscope throughout your exhibit space. Plug-and-play functionality means setup is simple. Just connect HDMI and power, and DiMi boots up automatically in seconds. Experience incredible magnification up to 250 times with a large 98-inch screen, allowing visitors to explore even the tiniest structures, like the individual pixels of a smartphone screen. Optional accessories such as a turntable or specimen storage grid can be added to the setup, supporting engaging exploration of various samples. Even more customization options, like an interactive linear polarization filter, enable interactive experiences such as viewing crystallization processes. DiMi is perfect for showcasing diverse topics, from engineering, geology or biology to materials science. It can be seamlessly integrated into any gallery environment. From screens with brackets for table mount, specimen holders to backlit base plates, every DiMi setup can be tailor-made to meet your exhibition needs. Visit our web shop and create your customized DiMi today. Discover the microscopic world with DiMi.